Cardio's great. Let's do this.
So today we got up early, way early. You want to explain that? You're not in frame.
Yeah, I know, I have to head in. Well, I kind of wrestled a little bit, and then Rachel started wrestling a little bit, so then we decided to, spoke up, and we started talking, and the next thing you know, it's going on 5 o'clock, and then we're like, if we don't go back to sleep by 5:30, we're just gonna get up. And so sure enough, we got up at 5:30. We went and got dressed in the wash house, or the kitchen area and whatnot, bathroom area, and we hit the road really early.
Yeah, and that was another campsite we have not paid for because their website, I went online to try and pay, and their website wasn't working at all. And I even tried to copy and paste the link instead of clicking the link exactly, and that didn't work. And it just kept on saying that there was an error. So we also called the van company about the seatbelt situation. And they basically laughed at us when we asked if it was illegal to not wear a seatbelt. And they basically said they couldn't get it fixed.
Yay, yes.
And then we also, so we're supposed to have a glacier hike. We started the day by going to Skogafoss, and there was actually a trail that went all the way up the mountain. And that was it only took 10 minutes to get up there. It was really pretty, and it was a great way to start the day. We had we drove there within 10 minutes, made our oatmeal, made our coffee, but the coffee didn't turn out well. And then from there we left and went to another waterfall. Chubby. Me and Kelly are headed up the mountain to the waterfall observing area. I can't get myself. We're very bundled. Oh, here comes the sun. Alright, we'll update. Oh, my lens cap is on. Oops. That's how far we've come so far. How you doing, Kelly?
Cardio's great. Let's do this.
We're almost there, guys. It's right there. Hey, Mommy, we made it. What is that song? So we just pulled up to our glacier hike, and literally the van is rocking because the wind is so intense. Here, look at this dumpster door. I'm surprised it hasn't fallen off yet. Of course I show you it when it's not that windy anymore. Oh, here we go. Anyway, so me and her I looked up the email to get more details to see what was going on, because we're the only one in this huge parking lot. The van is over there, and no one's here. And so I pulled up my email, and they said, due to high winds, we've canceled the glacier hike for tomorrow. It's 5 minutes before.
I don't know what we're gonna do now.
That's just the typical us, I guess. Yeah. So now we have to figure out either rebooking it or getting a refund. I don't know.
Stay tuned.
And then from there we left and went to another waterfall. Then we went all...
I did a terrible job explaining what we were doing each day and where we were going in this, so my apology. All the way to our glacier hike, and just to realize it had been canceled the previous day. And we noticed 5 minutes before it started.
Yes.
So we made a couple stops along the route thanks to Google Maps along the way. My battery's about to die.
Oh good, can't wait.
And after we did those stops, we did our actual planned things, which I can insert pictures and videos of, which were really cool, but also included hikes up a mountain. So that was fun. Good exercise though. We climbed like what, 85 steps?
Yeah,
85 flights of stairs.
Cardio's great. Let's do this.
Yet another uphill hike. Second of the day. All the way up there. We did make it up. I'll insert some photos. I forgot to film while we were up there because my camera storage for my iPhone is apparently full. And I deleted a bunch of photos while we were up there and videos, and it still says it's full. So Kelly, what did you think about it?
Great.
Just one word. Great. Amazing. It was even better up there. There was like a waterfall way over there that all this water comes from.
Sorry, I shouldn't have squatted.
Oh my gosh.
Casually going up a hill in Iceland. And I can't hold my phone steady.
Yeah, this isn't an F road, so I can't imagine what an F road would be. Oh my gosh. After that, we headed towards our campsite, right?
Well, we drove through a snowstorm basically.
Oh yeah, and I almost fell off the side of a mountain from the snow. I was like, I'm not trying to do anything crazy. I'm not trying to, and it was like,
Just like twice.
yeah. As I was like sliding everywhere because we had just missed a turn, and I was like, oh, maybe I can do a U-turn up here. And I said, I'm not trying to do anything crazy, and I literally started sliding all over the place. But I tried to keep as calm as possible.
She killed it. She was amazing.
And we ended up being able to go to a town and go to where we were wanting to go anyway, just via a different road. And so it was actually kind of nice because the store that we ended up at was something probably we wouldn't have stopped at otherwise.
Yeah, and I liked it because we could walk to the beach to say we've been to the Black Beach, but then we were able to walk inside, go to the grocery store, bathrooms, everything was connected. I swear we were able to get some souvenirs out of the way.
I got most of my Christmas shopping done because we got the refund for the glacier hike. What are you thinking right now?
Freaking cold! But I want to go to the beach!
after all of that, we went to one more stop, went and saw a couple waterfalls, and then came to our campsite, which was a bit of a drive, but it was a beautiful drive. Then we literally got here at 5:01.
They closed at 5.
And so the lady was in there and I was able to ask a few questions. But anyway, the showers were free. We were able to do laundry. It's been a good, decent day.
It's a very clean area. It just sucks that it's like so windy and it's raining. Like,
You can see us shaking.
I know. We're gonna look like we're having seizures in here, or Tourette's. But like, if it wasn't raining or and wind, it probably wouldn't be that bad. But because it's both, it's just miserable. We had pizza, grilled cheeses for dinner.
They were bad.
Yeah, we were gonna make brownies, but after this whole colossal mess of weather, it just wasn't worth it.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll be able to make them tomorrow.
I think having clean clothes is a better trade-off.
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure.
Well, catch you tomorrow. A little lazy day.
Yeah, we're gonna be starting late.
Hopefully. We sleep.
We should be able to. We have to pay.
Hopefully we'll sleep though.
Oh yeah. Pray for us.
I can't wait to look at these photos with my parents. They'll be like, what are you taking a photo of? Like,